Is this? Do you know where Gatlinburg? Is this Gatlinburg?
Yeah, I think so.
This is Gatlinburg.
That's where it started just a little bit ago.
Oh, we're already in it.
Yes, sir.
Have you been here before?
I have not.
I haven't either. Where are you from?
Wyoming.
Yeah, we're from Sevierville. We've never been here. You have a good day.
You too.
Hey, man. Is this Gatlinburg? Just married?
Yeah. Congratulations. Saturday.
Where are you guys from?
North Carolina.
All right, that's good. That's good.
Very cool. You having a good honeymoon? Yes. We've been here since Sunday. So.
Have you?
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, we got married a while ago, so.
Oh, well, congratulations to y'all too.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's like 25 years ago.
Oh, well, hey, it's still good.
We're still in the honeymoon phase, though, so.
Yeah. Hey,
You know?
always good.
That's right. Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Enjoy. We're on vacation. You too. Dude, did you bring the hand sanitizer? Jill, you ever been to Anakeesta before?
No. What is Anakeesta?
That's this place. Anakeesta.
Is that her name? Anakeesta?
No, maybe.
Card or cash?
Oh, we're gonna do card.
Cash works faster if you want to do that.
Well,
It don't matter.
$20.
it's $20.
20 flat.
Only 20, huh?
20 for 10 hours.
10 hours. Wow. Now, is this place called Anakeesta or Anakeesta?
Anakeesta.
Okay. Well, that's where we're at today, right?
Yeah, that's what this is.
All right.
This is for the public. This is all public parking.
Public
Don't
parking.
add anything to do with Anakeesta.
Okay. I got you. So, do you get anything free when you pay to park? Like up at the top there? or anything?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't think so.
No. Free lunch or something like that, maybe. I don't know.
You know how they are.
I don't.
Oh, we like burritos.
They don't like food.
You know what I'm really hoping for? Let me see a bear.
Think there's bears up there?
Oh my gosh, this place is so popular for bears.
Anakeesta?
Yeah.
Really?
I see videos all the time of people having bear encounters.
What do they do? They running from them and
Well,
stuff?
usually, like if they're on the chairlift,
Yeah.
you know, if they're like spitting or
Yeah.
spit on them, or they
They
spit
spit on
at
them,
them,
throw stuff at them.
popcorn out.
Mm-hmm. Dump the popcorn out all over them.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I know, but I have a bad fear of heights. And that's really high. Maybe we should just drive up there.
Well, what you're gonna do is you're not gonna look down. You're just gonna look straight
How are you
ahead.
not gonna look down? That's all there is to look at is down. Should we drive up?
No, you can do it.
I don't know.
I don't want to drive up.
You would thank me later for it if we did, though, because that's really high. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
How many?
2, and we're local.
Can you see ID, please?
Sure. Let me ask you, does it cost extra to ride the Chondola?
No, it's whatever you prefer going up and coming back down. It's included in the same price.
What's the problem?
This is very high. I have a problem with heights. I don't feel like you're fully secured on this. You could fall out. It's windy. Bad things could happen.
Let's see.
You know, and I feel like it's really high up there, and it's dangerous. It's dangerous. I don't like dangerous behavior. You know what I mean? You gotta be kidding me. Why are we doing this?
Paul, you're fine. You're.
What the Joe, why do you do this to me for real?
Oh yeah, I feel like it was fine.
Oh God, I feel dizzy.
Don't pass out on me.
I'm not.
I got you, Paul.
You're
got
not
you.
catching me if I start to fall. If I lose consciousness and slither out of this thing, it's over.
Keep your eyes.
This is unacceptable behavior for any business to have. Who does this? Who makes?
Just keep your eyes on number 16. Okay? You don't have to look down.
Oh boy.
You're doing fine.
Am I?
Yeah, you're
Am I
doing great.
fine? Yeah. Why is it stopping all the time?
because somebody's getting off
Well, they need
and
to
on
hurry
that
up. They
red
should
one.
make it quicker. 94. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Well, I'll be better when I get up there. You get a lot of people afraid of heights on this thing?
We do actually.
Yeah. They ever throw up?
No, I haven't seen it.
Not yet, huh? It's probably all back there. Well, that may be the first, bud. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You got fudge up there?
Oh, I wish. No, we got family going to Cherokee.
Family with the fudgies. Okay, anyway.
I'm at Queen Box. We're gonna hop off and make our way past that gate and go for it.
Thanks, sir.
Good day.
You too. It's the rail runner. Single, tandem. Oh, you can go together?
Over here.
No, surely not.
Yeah, but I don't think you and I could go together. I think we're too big.
You want to ride this? Let's ride it. Come on, let's go ride.
Okay, go and take it.
I can't ride this.
Why?
Maximum weight is 230. I may be like 6 burgers over. So I'll have to find something else to do. It's too bad.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, it's real. What you seeing, Jelly?
I think I see a pile of bear shit.
You need to climb down there and inspect it for bearings. That's how you can make
Seriously, look at. I bet you this is their trail.
Go down there and get a stick and look in it.
No, I can look at. I can see the berries
No,
in
you
it.
can't see. Remember how Steve Irwin used to do it and pick it up and break it and snip it? You need to do that.
You go break it and
No.
sniff it.
What y'all doing?
Huh?
What you guys doing?
We're running the conduit for the lighting in the woods
Oh, nice.
for the light show.
Right on. That's opening soon, right?
It should be November, I think.
Yeah, November should be, so we try and knock it out soon.
Yeah. You guys are doing a good job.
You got a YouTube channel? Thank you.
Huh?
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's it?
Fun in the South.
One in the South?
Yeah. Check it out. All right. Thanks, guys. Joe, what you doing?
Oh, I'm just taking everything in, taking in the sights.
Taking it in.
You know how I do.
Yeah. What's this? Joe, look at this adventure. Oh boy. Oh boy. Maximum of 8 people on the bridge. Way up there. Sorry. Just go. It's okay. Looking good. Wow, this thing's wicked. Oh boy. This reminds me, you know that part in Indiana Jones and Temple of Doom? You're standing in the middle and he's got the sword, he's like saying something and then he chops it with the machete. That's what's going through my mind right now. Not good. Not good.
You alright?
No hands. You gotta hold on to the rail.
You don't understand. You're gonna hurt my ankle.
What? The rhythm. See? No problem. Let me tell you what my concern is. That's a glass floor right there.
Okay, hold on. Wait a minute.
I may have picked the wrong day not to wear underwear.
Tell me that.
The Anakeesta. Alright. Here we go.
Now, each stop, I want to look at the view.
What? Sticking up
Are
in
you
the
going to
middle.
step on the glass floor?
Oh no. I don't think you're supposed to stand on it. People die that way.
Yes.
Don't they? Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, no.
Just stand on it, look.
No. I weigh a lot more than you, Jill. This is not built for me.
It feels really thick though. You're standing on it.
Yeah, well. So does your windshield. Okay, I'm out.
Paul, don't be a chicken.
Well, I've had my fill of heights today. And steps for that matter. But all in all, Anakeesta is a pretty nice place. As long as you take your vitamins and have no fear of falling to your death, it's probably one of the better places to come around here. That's not good. Okay. Alright guys, well, that's going to do it for this adventure of Anakeesta. It's a beauty. Highly recommended. If you enjoyed it, like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time on Fun in the South. Bye.
Adios.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Auf Wiedersehen.